Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a halo in Fish. So you have to be a supporter of Fish, which means you do have to purchase the Game Pass. If you go to menu here and scroll to the very bottom, so if you're up here, scroll to the very bottom, and you're going to purchase the supporter Game Pass. It's around 229 Robux. Enable it to enable the halo. And to enable the color code, go to, sorry for the glitch, halo color. I'll do 255 and then I'll do 192 and then this one 203. Hopefully okay, it's very hard to change the halo color for some reasons. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. This is what the halo looks like, by the way. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.